Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Rouvy companion to main app. So it's pretty much the simple way how to do that. Basically, what you need to do, you need to log into both application using the exact same account credentials. So what you're going to do is just download the Rouvy companion app from the iOS app or Google Play Store. Log in with your same credit account details that you have on the main app, and it will basically synchronize between those two apps. And yeah, you will have all the activities right in here. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next